how to change your Fido mobile plan eSIM. I'm going to tell you how to change your Fido mobile plan if you're using an eSIM. It's pretty straightforward. First, open the Fido My Account app or log in at fido.ca. Once you're in, go to the Plans and Add-ons section and look for the option to change your plan. Browse through the available plans and pick the one that fits your needs. After selecting, just confirm the change and it'll be updated, usually by your next billing cycle. Since you're on eSIM, there's no need to insert anything or switch cards physically. The new plan will apply directly to your eSIM profile. If you're having issues or the options isn't showing up, contact Fido support via chat or call. They can manually push the plan change or send you a fresh eSIM activation if needed.